Okay. All of you had your lunch? Why? What happened?
My father is not here. My father go to our house.
Okay. So let's start the class.
Building our house.
Once again, good afternoon to all. Let me tell you one thing, Advait. You must have your lunch on time. Okay?
My father is not here.
Yeah, that's
My
okay.
father go to my father go to the
Okay, next time you have to.
building. We are building new house.
There are some more children in the waiting room. Let me admit everyone. So, today we are going to discuss our workbook exercises. We can finish it today. We can finish our workbook exercises today. Are you all ready? Give me a thumbs up.
Yes.
Give
Ma'am.
smile. A cute smile. I know this is afternoon. You are not so good mood. Feeling sleepy, right?
No. No. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, that's okay, fine. Very good. So, ma'am is going to share the screen. You have to take page number 7. Take page number 7. And where we have stopped in the previous class?
12
Answer
question.
12. Okay, 12th question. How does the stem help the leaves? Okay, somebody should read that answer for me.
Ma'am.
Adiga,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
read that answer for me?
What do plants need to live? How do leaves help them help the plant?
Hmm. What is the answer? How does, no, 12th question we finish, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am is asking you to read the 12th answer. Will you read?
What do
How does the
plants?
stem, how does the stem help the leaves? Please
Ma'am,
read that
that we
answer.
finish.
Okay, please read that answer. Ma'am is asking you to read that answer.
Stem holds the leaves so that they get maximum sunlight. It carries water and nutrients from the root to the leaf.
Carries water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. Okay, now, Devananda, please read the answer. Devananda. Devananda.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the answer.
Stem helps
How does the stem help the leaves? Okay,
the stem
the stem.
hold
Oh,
the leaf so that they get maximum sunlight.
okay.
It carries water and nutrients for roots to live.
From roots to leaves. Thank you. Thank you, Devananda. You can mute your device.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let's start the next question answer. What do plants need to live? How do leaves help the plant? Okay. What do plants need to live? We know that plants need
Okay, ma'am.
air and food and
Plants
to
get
live.
better
Okay.
sunlight.
Okay. Siddharth, please wait. Leaves help plants in preparing their food and in breathing. How do the leaves help? How do the leaves help the plant? Leaves help plants in preparing their own food and in breathing. So let us write that answer, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's write. Okay, let me share the screen. Somebody is making noise. Singing. Somebody's audio is not muted. Alvin Anthony, please mute your device. Devananda, please mute your device.
Okay, ma'am.
Please wait. Here we are going to write, what do plants need to live? How do leaves help the plant? Okay, let's write that answer, children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Come on, let's write that answer. Okay. The stem. No. What do the plants need to live? How do leaves help the plants? Plants need food and air to live. Right, everybody? Plants.
Land.
Plants. Plants need food. Plants need food and air. And air to live. To live. Put a full stop. Leaves. Leaves help plants leaves help plants in preparing P-R-E-P-A-R-I-N-G in preparing. Leaves help plants in preparing their own food. Their T-H-E-I-R, their own food. Their own food and in breathing. In breathing. B-R-E-A-T-H-I-N-G. And in breathing. Okay, this is the answer. How does this? No. This is 12th. This is not the question. Here's the question. What do plants need to live? Sorry.
Ma'am, we need to write the 13th question.
Yeah, you need to write 13th question. Please wait. By mistake, I wrote in the 12th question. Okay, let me write here. Plants need food. Plants need food and air. And air to live. What do plants need to live? Plants need food and
air to live.
to live. Full stop. Leaves help plants. Leaves help plants. Leaves help plants in preparing P-R-E-P-A-R-I-N-G. In preparing, help plants in preparing their own food. Their own food. Their own food. Full stop. Food and in breathing. And in breathing. Okay, this is the answer. What do plants need to live? How do leaves help the plant? How do leaves help the plant? 13th answer. Plants need food and air. Plants need food and air to live. Come on.
Leaves help plants in preparing their own food.
Plants need food and air to live. Leaves help plants
Plants
preparing
need
their
food
own
and
food
air.
and in breathing. Leaves help plants. Leaves help plants in preparing their own food and
Help. Finish.
okay.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, 14, 15.
14th question. Okay. Shall we move to the next question?
Yes.
14th question. Look at the image. Fill in the empty spaces to explain how leaves prepare food for the plant. You can see one image and here we are supposed to fill the empty spaces to explain how leaves prepare food for the plant. Shall we do?
Yes.
Come.
Roots taken.
Okay. Roots taken dash from the dash. What we can write? Taken water and nutrients. Right, everybody? Water and nutrients. Nutrients. Water and nutrients.
And the soil.
Trients. From the, there is only limited space. You have to adjust that space and right. Adjust your handwriting, the size of your handwriting, and make sure that you fill it in the limited space. Water and nutrients from the soil. Okay, everybody write soil. Put a full stop. Roots taken, then read the sentence, everybody. Roots taken
Roots taken
water and nutrients.
nutrients from the soil. Soil.
Very good. Now, the second B, in the presence of dash. In the presence of dash. In the presence of dash, leaves contain dash. In the presence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight. Okay, write the spelling. Sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, leaves contain carbon dioxide. Write the spelling. C-A-R-B-O-N. Carbon dioxide. D-I-O-X-I-D-E. Okay. In the presence of sunlight, leaves contain carbon dioxide and water. And water. W-A-T-E-R. And water to make food. Make food. During this process, they give out oxygen. During their food preparing process, all the plants give out oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N. Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Yes. The last sentence we have to fill it. So, leaves are called the dash of the plant. Leaves are called, tell me, leaves are called kitchen or food factory of plant. Okay. Food factory spelling. Food factory. A-C-T-O-R-Y. Food factory or kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen of the plant. Okay. Now, I want somebody should read these three sentences together. Let me read it
Ma'am,
once
break
again for you.
Adiga. Yeah.
Yeah, please wait. Let me read the three sentences together for you. Then after that, I'll call you. Roots take in water and nutrients from the soil. In the presence of sunlight, leaves combine carbon dioxide and water to make food. During this process, they give out oxygen. So, leaves are called food factory or kitchen of the plant. Now, Arav Krishna, please, no. Arav Krishna, can you please unmute? Arav Krishna?
Ma'am, I am writing.
Okay, then you can write. Those who have finished, completed, please raise your hands.
Ma'am, Reka. Ma'am, Adiga.
1 minute.
Ma'am, Andrea. Ma'am, Adiga.
Okay, Krishna, unmute. Krishna, you can unmute. Krishna. Unmute. Krishna Kalesh, you can unmute. Okay, then read the sentences, Krishna. Okay, you can read the sentences. Krishna.
In water and
Nutrients. Others, please complete. Please do it fast. Others, please write fast.
from the soil.
Yashika, have you completed? Show me a book. Those who have completed, please show me a book. Others, please do it fast. Okay. Ameya, you can read. Ameya, please unmute. Ameya, please unmute and read the three sentences. Okay, Ameya.
Roots take in water and nutrients from the soil. In the presence of sunlight, leaves combine carbon dioxide and water to make food.
Good. Okay.
During this
Process.
process,
They give out
give out oxygen.
oxygen. So,
So,
ah,
leaves are called the food factory
or
or kitchen of the plant.
plant. Very good. Then I want somebody should read that answer. Lizel, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Okay, Lizel, please unmute and read that. Okay, Lizel, you can read that answer.
roots take in water and nutrients from the soil.
Okay.
In the presence of sunlight, leaves combine carbon dioxide and water to make food.
Mm.
During this process, they give out oxygen. So leaves are called the food factory of the plant.
Or kitchen of the plant. Shall we move to the next question, children?
Yes.
Okay, come. Somebody's audio, I can hear a lot of noise. Let me check. Please mute your device. Everybody, please mute your device. When I ask you to say, you can say. Unmute and say. Adiga, please mute your device. Okay. I think that noise. Hey, still I can hear. Ameya, please mute your device. Okay. Are you sure, everybody? Please mute your device and sit in the class. Okay. Adiga, please mute your device. Okay. Now it's clear. Here you can see multiple choice questions. Which of the following is used as a leafy vegetable? We can see option A, it's a neem leaves. It's a medicinal plant. Its leaves and stems we can use as medicine. Option B, mango leaves. We never eat mango leaves. We never use it for cooking. And option C, tulsi. Tulsi stem and its leaves we can use as medicine. We know that. And what about option D, spinach? Spinach? Is it food? Is a leafy vegetable? Irene B, say, unmute and say,
Yes.
is it a leafy vegetable?
Yes.
Okay, so which letter we are supposed to write here?
D.
Option D. Thank you. Thank you, Irene. You can mute your device. Everybody write option D. Now, we can move to the 16th question. Again, it is multiple choice question. Which of the following plants stem is used as food? Which of the following plants stem be coconut, tulsi, neem, potato? Which plant stem? Coconut stem, we know that it is very hard and rough to touch. We never use it for cooking or any food. And tulsi and neem, we know that they are medicinal plants. Their stem and leaves we can use for as medicine. And what about a potato? Okay, Abhinav, unmute and say, which of the following? Okay, tell me which option we can write. Which is the correct option?
D.
Option D, potato. Very good. Thank you, Abhinav. Everybody, right?
Ma'am.
No, no, no. When I say thank you, you have to say welcome. Okay. Thank you, Abhinav.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, you can mute your device. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Shall we move to next question? Children, give me a thumbs up. Yes. What do we get from sugarcane stem? What do we get from sugarcane stem? Okay, now write down the answer. Sugarcane stem is used to make the yummy sugarcane juice. It is also used to make sugar and jaggery. Do you know what is jaggery? Tell me. Who knows it is jaggery? Okay, Adwis, unmute and say.
That is a fruit.
No.
One berry.
No, baby, no. No. Who knows what is jaggery? Okay, Siddharth, unmute and say.
Shakara.
Exactly. Yeah. You know that? You all like payasam very much? Payasam?
Yes.
Huh?
Shakara paisam.
Yeah. It's a brown color payasams we used to prepare.
That I
Sometimes.
get from the temple.
Okay, okay.
My father go to all the temple.
Okay, okay. Jaggery means? What is that? Tell me, Advait.
Shakara.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine. Anyway, you understood, no? That is jaggery. And do you know, children, from where do we get jaggery? We can make jaggery from sugarcane stem. The juice of sugarcane stem. Sugarcane, who knows sugarcane? Sugarcane means, in Malayalam, what we will say? Sugarcane.
Panjasara.
No, baby, that is sugar. Sugarcane plant means, who knows that? Okay, Anna Rose, tell me. What is sugarcane plant? Yeah, exactly.
I know, my home is it. I drink that juice.
Okay. Now tell me, is it yummy? What is the taste of that juice, sugarcane juice?
That's not sugar, some sugar.
No, Advait, let me ask to Anna Rose because she said she had sugarcane juice. Anna Rose, tell me, sugarcane juice, what is the taste of sugarcane juice? Tell me.
Right.
Very sweet. Okay.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
From where did
That's
you get?
food.
Okay, from where did you have sugarcane juice? Okay, before this corona,
Ma'am,
we had
to the road.
Kottayam.
Kottayam and roadside also. Not
Yes,
Yes,
bring
there
from
is. I'm
roadside.
going to my grandmother's home. That time I drink
okay,
in
okay,
the roadside.
okay. Roadside juice. It's not healthy. Roadside, it is not healthy at all. Don't take it next time. And anyway, you know what is sugarcane?
Yes,
And now everybody understood what is a sugarcane plant. So
Yes.
we can now here as the question, what do we get from the sugarcane stem? What do we get from the sugarcane stem? We can, yeah, definitely we can say sugarcane stem, we can make juice, the yummy, yummy, sweet sugarcane juice.
But it's
And,
not healthy.
and it is also used to make sugar. Sugar is needed. No, every day we put it in juices and
Tea.
tea, coffee for making whatever sweet items we need sugar. Am I right?
We need jalebi to make sugar.
Yeah, we need sugar to make jalebi. Whatever sweet items we need sugar, and at the same time we make lot of items with jaggery. Not only that payasam, there are many items. Some people they put this jaggery in their tea and coffee. Yeah,
Yes.
they used to have jaggery tea, jaggery coffee. They like it, and jaggery is for a lot of Ayurvedic medicine. We use this jaggery and leaves and all. Advait, mute your device. Your brother is making noise.
Not brother, sister.
She's making a lot of noise. Please mute your device. Your sister is disturbing everyone now. You can mute your device. Yes. Yes, Anai, you can ask. Anai, where is Anai? 1 minute. Who's in the chat box?
and Devananda.
Please don't chat in the chat box. Where is Anai? Okay, Anai, unmute. Anai, you can unmute. Then ask.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of jaggery?
Jaggery, Anaros. Say the meaning of jaggery.
Ma'am, kajumbu.
Ma'am, shakara.
Sharkara, yeah. Siddharth is saying. Have you got it, children?
Yes.
Got it? Sugarcane, what is sugarcane?
Kajumbu.
Correct. Yeah.
Kajumbu.
So let's write that answer, everybody. What do we get from? Now,
Ma'am,
yes. Please
I
stop
have
talking.
sugarcane
Yeah.
in my house.
Okay, okay. Then you bring one piece of one stem, sugarcane stem, bring it to me. Let me have. Okay. Let's
When
write
the
that
school
answer.
open, we will bring.
Yeah, surely you have to bring it for me, right?
Okay.
Okay, now we can write that answer. Sugarcane stem, everybody write. Sugarcane, sugarcane,
Sugarcane.
sugarcane. Stem
Oil.
is, somebody's audio is not muted, right? Please make sure that your audio should be muted. There's a lot of disturbance I can hear. Sugarcane stem is used to make, used
You.
is used to make juice,
To make.
to make
To make. You.
to make juice. Sugarcane stem is used to make juice. We all like the yummy, yummy sugarcane juice. It is also, it is also, it is also used to make, used. It is also used to make, to make to make sugar, sugar and jaggery. and jaggery. 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 Okay. Let me repeat that answer once again. Sugarcane stem is used to make juice. It is also used to make sugar, and jaggery is used to make sugar and jaggery. I hope everybody completed, right?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, right. Sugarcane spelling Sugarcane. Sugarcane. Stem is used to make juice. Juice. It is also used to make sugar, and jaggery.
And jagger.
Hope you have completed.
Cane can be used to
Adinad, Dia, Arav Krishna. Right.
make sugar and jagger.
Daros, Arav Krishna, Abel Dixon, Antria, Sribhadra. Okay. Andrea. Okay. So, shall we move to the next question, children?
Yes.
Okay. See the next question. Why do we use tree trunks to make furniture? Why do we use tree trunks to make furniture? Tree trunks are very hard and strong. Everybody write tree. Tree trunks, Trunks. Tree trunks are very hard. HARD. Are very hard and strong. And strong. 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 Put a full stop. Tree trunks are very hard and strong. So, we use them to make furniture. To make
Then
furniture. FURNITURE. NITURE. Tree trunks are very hard and strong, so we use them to make furniture. Here is the answer. Tree trunks are very hard and strong, so we use them to make furniture.
Then
All of you understood, children? Any doubt?
no.
Any doubt? Okay. Let me read once again. Tree trunks, TRUNKS, are very hard and strong. Hard, HARD, hard and strong, STRONG. So we use them to make furniture. So don't worry, those who could not complete, I'll send the notes through the WhatsApp today evening. Okay, that's all for today. That's all for today. 1 minute. So today, that's all for today, children. 1 minute. So you have to read and write and study all these answers 5 times in your rough book. Will you do it?
Yes.
Today's our time is over. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you all. Love you all. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you,
Take
ma'am.